Hello and welcome to my channel Area Krakow and Poland Experience. Today we are in the Jezioro Duniec, or the Lake Duniec. We have a video about the castle, so feel free to look at it. And welcome again to my channel Area Krakow and Poland Experience. We are heading to the bridge and hope that you will enjoy the visual from there. Wishing you all a pleasant Saturday. Feel free to subscribe, hit the bell button, put your comments below. It means a lot to me. As we are going down toward the bridge, more and more of the lake is being revealed. At this time, all is with snow covered, of course. On second thought, I'm not sure we will be able to see the picture on the bridge because of the snow that is covering, but we will see.
Tak jak to oddech poprawił. Nie widzieliśmy omawianka.
No nie pójść.
Unfortunately, no way we can look at it because it's all covered by snow. But we will be able to go toward the end of the bridge and see the other side. Fragrance of paint is revealed below, but you are missing the whole picture. I was able to visit here on a less snowy season, and it was amazing. Amazing how trees are adjusting to such a place. This is kind of a very special tree, I would say, different from others. On another video you can see me up on this castle, so feel free to, after viewing this video, to go and look for the other one. In the far end you can see another ruins of castle. Snow is falling, but very delicate. It seems to be closed. But at least the view is magnificent, and as you can see, snow is quite thick. Hope you have enjoyed this short video. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, Area Krakow and Poland Experience. Hit the bell button, put your comments below. Wishing you all a pleasant Saturday. Today is the 23rd of November 2024. Bye.